Children, good morning. Now, take out your maths classes, children. I explain you division now. I explain division now. I am telling you maths. Which subject, children? Maths subject. MATHS. Maths subject. Okay. Now, the chapter we have started. The division chapter starts. Which chapter we have started? Division. Chapter 9. Division. Chapter 9. Division. Okay. Now, division. Division means, I have already told, we have to divide the numbers. Okay. We have to divide the numbers. Now, what is the heading? Divide and write the quotient and remainder. Divide and write the quotient. Quotient and remainder. Quotient and remainder. हम लोगों को नंबर्स दिए और नंबर्स हम लोग डिवाइड करके उसका क्वोशिएंट क्या है रिमाइंडर क्या है लिखना మనకి ఇచ్చిన నంబర్స్ క్వోషియంట్ ఏదో రిమైండర్ ఏదో రాయమని చెప్తున్నాడు ఫస్ట్ వన్ 2 94 divided by 2. Okay, this is one. Read it. 37 divided by 2. Okay, 2 means repeated 2. 2 से हम लोग कर रहे हैं 2 నుంచి మనం చేయాలి. So which table we have to know? మనకి ఏ టేబుల్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి? 2 table. Okay children, now I am writing here 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Okay, divided by 2 means 2 table. Children, you also write the 2 table in the side. Corner ki 2 table రాయండి one line neat గా 2 2 ones are 2 నుంచి 2 tens are 20 వరకు వన్ టైం టేబుల్ మీరు కూడా ఉండాలి క్లాస్ వర్క్ లో ఈ సమ్స్ ఇట్లా హెడ్డింగ్ రాసాక సైడ్ కి పేపర్ में साइड में आप टेबल में लिखना సైడ్ కి మీరు టేబుల్ కూడా రాయాలా సో ఈ టేబుల్ నుంచి మనం ఇది డివైడెడ్ చేయాలి ఓకేనా నౌ सी నేను मैथ्स की सॉल्यूशन పెట్టాను आंसर बोल के नहीं रखना सॉल्यूशन बोल के रखना टेक सी 2 divided by 94 divided by 2 okay na now see first you have to take single number you have to take single digit number only 9 number okay 2 in 2 table 9 or less than 9 should we have to take 9 number కానీ లేకపోతే 9 కన్నా చిన్న నంబర్ 9 కి నియరెస్ట్ ఉన్న స్మాల్ నంబర్ 9 की नियरेस्ट गुना स्मॉल नंबर मींस 9 को पास रहते ना उसका छोटा नंबर लिखना ओके नाउ सी 9 ना नाउ 2 ones are 2 2 twos are 4 2 threes are 6 2 fours are 8 2 fives are 10 9 से 10 बड़ा होता 9 से 8 छोटा रहता और इसका पास रहते 8 9 10 बोलते ना 8 के पास 9 रहते ना सो 2 fours are 8 2 4s are 8 we have to do minus. Okay children, minus करना. 9 में से 8 निकालो. अब 8 में और 9 fingers. This is your 9 fingers. From 9 fingers you have to remove 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much is left? 1. Good. 1 is remaining. अब 2 table में 1 जाते? No. 2 is 2 numbers से start होगा. So 1 जाने के chances नहीं. 1 होने के chance नहीं. Now what we have to do? We have to bring this 4 down. Drop it here. Okay? Bring the 4 down. Okay? Now in 2 table 14 big है ना, नहीं तो 14 से छोटा near number रहेगा, nearest number होगा. Let me see. 14 is there in 2 table or not? Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. Yes, we have got it the 14 number here. 14 number వచ్చిందా? ఇక్కడ 14 ఉందా? అదే నెంబర్ మనకి ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది. ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ కి? 2 7s are. So 2 7s are 14 minus again 14 में से 14 दे दो 0. Finish. Now what is asking? Divide and write the quotient and remainder. So quotient equals to quotient అంటే ఏంటి ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? What the answer we will get. మనకి ఇక్కడ పైన ఏం వస్తుందో అది quotient అంటాం. 47 is a quotient and remainder ఏంటి? 0 and the remainder is 0. This is the problem. అర్థమవుతుందా children? 2 table. Which number నుంచి డివైడ్ చేయమంటే 2 table. So I have brought you 2 table. 9 will go in 2 table? No. 8 is number. Nearest number. 8. 2 4s are 8. 1 remaining. Again 4, bring it down. Now 2 7s are 14. 0. Easy children. That's what I am saying. You have to be perfect in a tables. Okay. Now second one. Solution. 2 37. 37 divided by 2. Now in 2 tables 3 how many times it will go? Let me see. We have to see 3 or 3 से nearest छोटा number. 3 means only 2. So how many times? 1 time. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Now again minus 3 में से 2 गए तो now 3 fingers में जब 2 fingers गए तो only 1. 1 and bring it this 7 down. How much it will be? 17. Now 17 2 table లో ఉందా? దానికి नियरेस्ट ఉన్న చిన్న నంబర్ ఏదో చూడాలి. उसका छोटा पास रहने नंबर क्या है वो देखना. ओके 17. 2 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. 18 बड़ा हो जाता है. हम क्या बोले, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ आपको? छोटा नंबर. 17 से छोटा नंबर. 17 से छोटा क्या है? 16. 17 से छोटा क्या है? 16. 2 8s are 16. Now again 7 minus 6. 7 fingers निकालो. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How much we left? 1. 1 minus 1 0. 1 is the answer. Now quotient equals to quotient enta. Which one is the quotient? This is the quotient. పైన వచ్చే ఆన్సర్ ని quotient అంటాం. 18 is the quotient and remainder. Last बचे क्या है? 1. 1 is the remainder. This is true. Okay, easy. So that's what I have written the table here. You can easily do it. So easily copy in the classwork neatly one time. फर्स्ट ऐसा आना, थोड़ा स्पेस दे दो. नहीं तो टेबल लिखो. फर्स्ट वन ऊपर, सेकंड वन नीचे लिखो. एक पेपर में आए तो भी बस है. कंटेस्टेडली नटको लिखो. नीटली फ्री कर आए नीटली. ओके, नो कॉपी इट. ఇది ఇట్లా కింద రాస్తే మంచిగా ఉంటుంది రబ్జీ. ఇడికి కింద రాస్తు కింద రాస్తే మంచిగా ఉంటుంది. Now next C bit. A भी हो गया ना, अब C bit. What is the C bit? 72 divided by 3 and D bit 31 divided by 3. Now which table we have to come? We have to know 3 table. Again let us write the 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. 3 table. Yes. Now see. Solution 72 divided by 3. Now in 3 table 7 नहीं तो 7 के छोटा nearest number 7 के దగ్గర ఉన్న చిన్న నంబర్ చూడాలి 3 table. Come. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 7 से 9 बड़ा number होता. So 6. We have to take 6 number. Again underline this. 3 twos are 6. Now minus 7 में से 6 निकाले तो good 1. Now bring it this 2 down. 2 नीचे लेके आना. 1 3 टेबल में नहीं जाते ना, इसके लिए we have to bring the 2 down. Okay. Now 2 12 in 3 table 12 how many times? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Same number వచ్చేసిందా మనకి? Any times की? 4 times. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. Again minus. Minus symbol compulsory have to keep children. Okay? Now 12 minus 12 है तो 0. Good. Now what is the quotient in this? Quotient ఏంటి? What answer we have got? That called quotient. I have told you no. 24 quotient and remainder. Last में क्या remaining? 0. Remainder is 0. Okay. Now again. 31 divided by 3. 31 divided by 3. Now 3 table में 3 how many times? Only I said first single number you have to take. ఒక నంబర్ తీసుకొని చేయాలి. एक నంబర్ लेके करना. 3. 3 how many times? Only 1 time. 3 ones are 3. 3 में से 3 गए तो 0. कुछ भी नहीं. अब नहीं 1 सेकेंड. 3 अब 3 नहीं, इधर 1 नीचे ना. सो टोटल नंबर ले लेंगे, पूरा 31 ले लेंगे. ठीक है. अब 3 टेबल में 31 नहीं तो 31 के थोड़ा पास रहेगा. नियरेस्ट नंबर, स्मॉल नियरेस्ट नंबर 31. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. So 31. 30 आ गया ना? 30 कैसा आ गया आपको? 3 tens are how many times? 10 times. 3 tens are 3 tens are 30. पूरा एक नंबर आ गया ना, पूरा नंबर मिले ना. अब 30 में से 31 में से 30 निकाले तो क्या बचते? Only 1. Which number is left? 1. Okay. Now what is the quotient in this? 10 is the quotient. And remainder 1. Remainder मान को 1 आ गया. 10 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. This. Okay. Now copy it neatly one time in classwork. Okay na? A, B should be in one paper. A, B and 2 tables should be in one paper. And C, D and 3 tables should be in another paper. Neatly लिखना. पूरा एक गंदे नहीं लिखना, नीटली लिखना, एक एक नंबर मेरे को समझ में आना, एरो मार्क माइनस पूरे समझ में आना हमको, ठीक है। वैसे नीटली लिखना, टेबल भी रहेगा साइड में। यही आपको क्लास वर्क है। होमवर्क क्या है, होमवर्क आप लोग टर्म, मैं आपको होमवर्क भी व्हाट्सएप करती, टर्म 2 में लिखना, टर्म 2 पेज नंबर 47, टर्म 3 सॉरी, टर्म 3 homework, this is called homework, term 3 page number 47. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏవైతే చెప్పానో అవే రాయాలి టర్మ్ బుక్ లో చూసుకుంటూ, నేను సెపరేట్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు, క్లాస్ వర్క్ లో ఏవైతే సమ్స్ చేస్తున్నారో అవే మీరు టర్మ్ బుక్ లో కూడా చేయాలి, ఓకేనా। పేజ్ నెంబర్ 47, ఓన్లీ A B C D, ఓన్లీ దిస్ 4 బిట్స్ యు హావ్ టు డు, నాట్ మోర్ దెన్ దట్, అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ చేయొద్దు, 4 బిట్లు మాత్రమే। నేను క్లాస్ వర్క్ ఏవైతే చేయించానో అవే హోంవర్క్ లా చిన్న చిన్నగా నీట్ గా చేయాలి టర్మ్ బుక్, ఓకేనా। टर्म बुक में इधर होमवर्क HW डालना, डेट डालना, डेट होमवर्क डाल के करना, मैं आप व्हाट्सएप भी करते आपको, नीटली करना, ठीक है चिल्ड्रन। थैंक यू, बाय।